Hey, welcome back. All right, so today I wanted to jump right into it. I'm going to show you how I flipped this set of end tables. It's an old set of end tables that I had, but I'm sure you could find something like this maybe at the thrift store. So I'm going to call this a furniture thrift flip because I don't use them because they're too big for my space right now, but I wanted to turn them into a bar cart. So I had already did a DIY project on them before, so that's why one is a different color than the other one. But I'm just going to start by taking them apart. They get taken apart with an Allen key, so I have an Allen key set. And they were kind of tight on there, but once I got into it, I was able to remove all of the parts so that, I removed all the parts from one table and then kept the other table intact because I was leaving one as is and then just basically attaching the other one to the first one. So now I have it all in the parts. I saved the screws. I saved some of the legs. I don't know what I might do with it later. I don't know. But I just want the frame-like pieces, the square-like pieces to put on the bottom because I want, when you have a bar cart, you want to be able to hold your bottles and different things at the bottom so that they don't slip off. So I want those pieces to hold that. But then I needed a base for everything to sit on, and because it's upside down now, it can't hold the glass that was there initially. So what I'm doing is just cutting a piece of MDF board down to size for it. I'm just marking it with a pen, and then I'm just going to cut it, and I'm going to glue mine on. You can. I'm scared to do it, but if you want to, you can drill into it, but it was metal, so I didn't want to drill into it, so I just glued it on, let that set, and then I'm gluing on the sides the same way I glued on the bottom with a strong glue and then clamping it. This took a while because I wanted it to sit for like a day for each piece that I did, and I didn't have enough clamps to the right size, so I had to glue one side, then glue the other side, let it dry. So that part took super long because, like I said, I didn't have enough of those size clamps to be able to clamp everything at one time and let it dry. But once everything dried, then it looked like this. And like I said, it's two different colors because of that. So I just sprayed it all back black, and then now I'm going to style it. So that was real simple. All right, I still have some styling to do for it, but let me know what you thought and if it gave you any inspiration for doing your own little furniture thrift flip.